Chanchan, what you doing?
Making rolls.
What kind of rolls?
Spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
Oh.
And you can use as many, and then you can use as much as water as you want.
Really?
Use as much fingers as you want too.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How's it coming along, Chef Chanchan?
Good.
She's ready to roll it.
Yeah, I'm
Start
ready.
on the bottom, baby.
See?
Then you tuck it in, okay?
Okay.
You got it.
2 hands.
Two
Don't be
hands.
shy.
Yeah. Keep going,
It's
baby.
very sticky.
I know, you got it. Because you put too much water. And then you roll it, tuck it in really good like this, okay?
Let me do it.
Let me just start
I want to do it.
See, it's better with 2 hands. You're a natural.
Good job, baby girl. That is a perfect roll.
I'll put it here. Good thing you look the other way.
Sticks.
Describe what you're doing, baby girl. You narrate it.
We're making spring rolls.
Are you ready for the next page?
Yeah, next page. Next. We're gonna do all of them.
Yeah. Until
What
we
do you
finish
call the
them.
cat in Alice in Wonderland?
Worship.
Whiskers.
And we can do a
Where's
little.
your shark?
And we can do a little spring rolls on here, on top of these.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Are you ready for your next one?
Yeah.
Here we go.
That's better. That's better.
Alright.
Menos yung gamit na bayatin.
Yeah.
Chanchan, did you wash your hand before you started
course.
spring rolling? That's number 1 step, right?
Mhm.
Maybe.
Baby girl, we're online.
We're online.
Say yes.
Alexa, stop. Maybe, Anna. Oh. You already memorized it by now, right?
No.
This step?
Okay, this end meet that end, and then this one goes like that.
Yes. I didn't do the water yet.
Oh yeah. You like
2
the
hands,
water
baby. Make sure your hands are always on the table. Don't put them down. Just
Yep.
put them on the table.
part.
The other hand
Two
too.
hands. I have 2 hands. The left and
All right.
that's right.
Okay, that hand and that hand. Then glue them all together. Glue them all together. Glue my hands.
Chanchan, that is not the holy water where you dip your hands. You do. Okay na, bilisan mo.
Okay,
Huwag kang maglaro dyan.